So welcome you all. In the last topic we were discussing about the virtual product development. Then we discussed what are the various techniques of virtual product development. Then we discussed about the models of virtual product development. Then we discussed about the analysis of virtual product development. So in the next topic we are going to discuss about the product data technology. Yes, what do you mean by a product data technology? Product data technology includes all aspects of definition and methods of processing of data information related to a product throughout its development and operation cycle. See, this product data technology is being used to store the data, that is from scratch till to the end, or from scratch till to the disposal of that particular product. All the information will be stored in this through this product data technology only. Throughout this operational life cycle of that particular product, entire processes or entire data related to that particular product, so all the complete details will be available in this product data only. So the management of all data flow processed and documents during this development or modification of product across the product lifecycle provides the basis for an efficient virtual product generation. So this indicates means by using this all this necessary information of what the product what already we have been developed. So it will be very useful to for virtual product generation. So this product data can be classified into different categories as follows. So not only storing the information throughout the product life cycle, so it has been classified into different categories also. So we will discuss the different categories one by one. First, product defining data relates to the technical requirements that include all kinds of data for the product specification. Yes, this product technology, data technology mainly gives an technical requirements that includes the what are the technical requirements or what are the technical information required to that particular product, and it gives the product specification. Product describing data relates to the technical product documentation that include all the information that can be found in bill of material. See, this bill of materials is nothing but how many number of parts. So for each part will be having a separate specification, that what we call it as a BOM. So for if manufacturing any product, complete product, so many parts will be there, so many sub parts, main parts, assemblies, sub assemblies, all put together, that will form a one product. So each part information will be available in the bill of materials. So that even that also, that information is also provided through this product describing data. So next one is about the geometry data relates to the CAD model files. Even not only related to this data storage, even the product data technology is useful to data relates that even the CAD model files, geometry data exchange format, CAD-based product structures, and other design-based data, all will be stored, or all the information will be available in this product data only. So next one is about the product data information concerning the development process itself, including the what is the workflow data, how the workflow process takes from different resources, and management of the resources, data for engineering, organization, and others. So next one is about the product configuration data relates to the information about possible variants. What might be the possible variants? So all this possible variant configuration data also or information will be available in this product data. Next one is metadata that describes additional product related facts such as production related information or data for calculation and organization. Not only storing the information, even this additionally use the product related facts such as productional or related information at what is the stage for that particular production, what is the process is going on, and even it gives the information related to the data for calculation and organization. So this gives the exchange, the complete about this is the exchange of product data within the same software environment is mainly performed by native data formats while importing product data from a 3D CAD program to FE simulation software. So this what this tells about is whenever you are transferring the data from 3D, that is from 3D models to analysis. 3D is in the form of data, 3D is in the form of model. But I need to analyze means I need to analyze that product. How are we going to analyze this? Means I need to convert, I need to make to the simulation. Means we are going to convert the 3D CAD model or 3D program into the simulation software. Automatically that model will be converted to the simulation. So in this case, the product design and simulation related process, neutral data formats provide product geometry data and it is limited. So next we are going to discuss about the product structure. See, once the design is finalized or the model, prototype models or the testing is finalized, next is about the how we are going to structure that particular product. in which way we going to structure. So first we are going to discuss about in product lifecycle management. Product structure describes the main parts or components or subcomponents, assemblies and document forms in a hierarchical way. See, in any product, if you are taking any component, there will be so many parts. Are we going to divide or categorize that part? First we are going to make any parts. We are going to develop small parts. That small parts together we will call it as one sub-assembly. All the different sub-assemblies will put together one main assembly. All the main assemblies put together we will call it will form one complete product. Now how are we going to categorize that components, whether it's a parts or now we are going to components, subcomponents, assemblies or our documents. So that we are going to in depth discuss along with the block diagram. So the product structure explains the fact regarding how the product is divided into components, which are in turn divided into subcomponents, thereby giving the essential details of an organized manner. See, this product structure gives how we can able to divide the main components or how we can able to divide the parts and how we can able to describe the main assemblies, sub-assemblies in a organized manner. So next you can see the diagram, that is just consider as a bicycle as one complete product. How we are going to or how we have categorized that parts into the different categories. You can see bicycle is one complete product. So it includes so many parts like tires, tubes, wheels, forks, frames. So all this includes one complete product, that is what we call it as a bicycle. But in the bicycle, how many further products has been classified, that you can able to see. First it has been categorized into 4 major components, or we will tell major assemblies. Then further it has been classified into the sub-assembly. From there again it has been classified into the small parts. So the small parts put together we call it as one assembly. That all the sub-assemblies put together we call it as a main assembly. All the main assemblies put together we call that one as a complete product. So now we will see about the product structure about the bicycle. So first we categorize as a front fork, handlebars, saddle and frame. So these are the some of the major components. Again in that further how it has been classified. If you consider for a front fork, left leg, crown, right leg and front wheel. When you consider only the front fork. Next you consider the frame. Frame again rear fork, again the beam which is connecting there, and again from the rear fork further it has been classified into left leg, rod, right leg and rear wheel. See now all this, if you want to make one sub-assembly in the rear fork, so this all these parts put together, all these parts joined together, then only the rear fork will be formed. If again want to put for a frame is, when I put rear form and a beam together or joining by these two parts, so this frame will be formed. Again this front forks, handlebar, saddle and frame put together, completely this one product forms. So what this product structure indicates is how we going to categorize the different products, different parts or different components to make one complete product. See now left leg, rod, right leg and rear wheel. This all components belong to the rear fork. To form one rear fork, these all components. Similarly, if you coming for a front fork, left leg, crown, right leg and front wheel. So front wheel and rear wheel. Now in the bicycle two majorly it depends on two wheels, right? So one is half of the portion is comes in the front fork and half of the portion comes in the rear fork, and one is about the when you put join together on this frame, one the bicycle complete bicycle product or one complete product forms. So this is how in any organization the product structure will be developed. Just we have taken an example of a bicycle. If you go for similarly if you go for any four wheeler or if you go for any car, how we going to categorize that? Because comparing with the bicycle, car having so many number of parts. So when comparing this like this, all the parts have been divided to small parts, components, then sub assemblies, main assemblies, all the parts put together, one complete product will be formed. So this is about the how we going to describe the components or parts in order to develop one complete product. So I'll repeat once again this process. First we going to complete product is small parts. All the small parts put together it will form a sub assemblies. All the sub assemblies you can able to see this we consider as a parts. So these parts put together it will come in the form of sub assemblies. All these sub assemblies put together will form in the some main assemblies. So when if we combine all these main assemblies, it will complete the one complete product. This is how we are going to make a flow chart in an organized manner for the product structure.